Hello, good afternoon, everyone. After all of you were waiting for my next videos on the subject of sound of alphabet. You see, some days ago, I discussed A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And today I will discuss L, M, N, O, and F. And it's a most important for you that only 6 videos will help you to know the real sound of the alphabet. And this is the video number 3. This is the video number 3. And now let's come to our main point. You see here L, 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 L. The real sound of the letter here, lamp, lamp. You see a lamp in the circle. This is a, p, lamp. And next example, lion, lion. E, O, lion, lion. It's very easy. In this way, if we try to sound the letter, it's very easy to sound the letter correctly, properly. Next you see M, 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 Just for example, moon, moon, oo. In the circle you see the symbol here, oo. And totally it's moon, moon. Next example, magpie, magpie. A. This is air, air. G, go, go, go. Like this, magpie. Air, go, mac. The sound is mac. In this way, we can easily sound the word magpie, magpie. Next you see N, N, nest. The example is nest. And E, A, S, S, S. Totally, the sound is nest, nest. And next you see nose, nose. And in the circle you see the symbol here O, O, O. J, J, nose, nose. And next O, 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 oh, oh. The real sound of the letter O, oh, oh. Here example is olive, olive. In the circle you see the symbol here, oh, E, olive. Totally, the real sound is olive, olive. And next example you see orange, orange. Here in the circle you see oh, oh, ra, ra, e, mm, mm, ja, orange, orange, orange. So in this way we will try our level best to sound the letter, sound the letter. And by the way, one after another, the word orange, orange. Next you see the fee, fee. The real sound is here. The example is parrot, parrot, parrot. Is the in the circle you see and yeah, ra, chi. Total sound parrot, parrot, parrot. And next example you see pigeon, pigeon. E in the circle you see and E, I, E, P, ja, ja, and E, totally the sound is pigeon. So in this way, in the same way, if we try our level best to sound the letters, we'll be able to make the sound, the word easily. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.